Now, do the children with dyslexia learn differently than I suppose than the average person?
Yes, they will need special help. If sounds are their problem, they will certainly need special help with learning to process those sounds. Now, we call that training phonemic awareness training, and they will need to have that. It is something that is developed while a child is at school, but on the other hand, if you can't do it when you come to school, you will need special training in that area. And so that has to do with how you hear and interpret the sounds that go to make up words, and then how you map those sounds onto the letters that you see on the page. Now that's important. The second thing is that not all children learn best through the same channel. Now that's true of adults too. Some people are what we call auditory learners. They learn best through hearing the sounds. Many dyslexics are not like that. Some people are what we call visual learners. They learn best through seeing things. Some dyslexics are like that. Many are not good at either, and they learn better through doing things, manipulating things and so on. So a teacher or a parent really needs to ensure that the child has opportunity to learn through any or all of those channels, the visual, the auditory or the tactile. Learning those will be, through those channels, will be the key to their learning.
Now, obviously a lot of parents want to tell the teachers a lot about what's going on with their child. Now, obviously, teachers obviously know a lot about dyslexia perhaps at the moment already, but what information should the parents tell the teachers about their child?
I think anything the parent can tell the teacher will be helpful. Teachers, unfortunately, many older teachers were never trained to identify children with dyslexia, and many teachers don't understand anything about it. The really good teachers will say, look, I don't know anything about dyslexia, what can you tell me? And there are others who will say, look, don't worry about him, he'll just grow out of it. Well, he doesn't just grow out of it. He will still be dyslexic as an adult, and he needs help right now. So parents need to give teachers all the information they can get. There's plenty of information available on the web, and of course there are specialist centres around, dyslexia centres, Spelled and so on. These organisations can help with information for teachers.
Okay, fantastic. Paul, thank you very much for your time today. If you're looking for more information on this or any other literacy condition, please visit our website at readhelp.com.au. Thanks for your time.